Hello everyone, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with the trade of the day. Actually, I'm going to talk about a couple of them, but this is from the AI, RIVN. Too short. You can see there's that down arrow. Okay, the alert happened at 62.12 and it got all the way down to $58 before it had any sort of a pop. I mean, this was actually got all the way down here, $58 from 62. Just an awesome short to begin the day. I mean, just basically straight down before it had any sort of a pop. So just a great alert with RIVN. And basically, you know, it looked at the market too. I mean, look what the market was doing. This is what the market did, and that's exactly what RIVN did. I do want to go over, though, also the KOD, because, you know, we get the question a lot. Just a minute here, let me get the symbol linking going. Okay. We get the question a lot, how do you use the AI? So here's KOD. Now, this is actually one that I shorted in the pre-market. It was awesome. You know, this had horrible news. Their drug failure of whatever drug they've got, and big drug failure. I mean, imagine if you were holding at 50 and you wake up this morning and it's at 16. I actually took this short underneath 15 and sold a little bit at the 13.85 and then rode most of it down to the 11 mark. But that's really not what I'm trying to show you. The AI had this short at 10.54. Okay, I'm going to expand this chart just a little bit more. 10.54. Now, it got down to 977. So from 1054 down to 977 is a great percentage move. I just want to show you though, see the AI is still not out of this trade. 1051 and now it's at 1053. As a trader, you know, I have to assume nobody would let that happen, okay? Everybody wants to be able to just auto trade the AI. And what I always say, and what most people at Trade Ideas say is, great, let the machine give you the alert, and then you manage the trade after that. Because you should not let something that you had a nice percentage move turn, basically, right now, the AI is not out of the trade, and it's you know, basically flat. 1051 was the short. It's at 1056 now. I don't know when the AI is going to, and some algorithm is going to kick in, but hopefully you understand what I'm trying to say here. You know, you should manage this trade, and you know, the minute it got back over 10, I'd be taking some out, and then as it was approaching, you know, the alert price, I'd probably be at everything. You could always get back in if you wanted to reshort it if it started working. So just you know, how I look at the AI anyway, it's man and machine. Let the machine give me the alert, and then I will manage the exit on my own. All right, want to get back into the trading room and have any questions, you can use this email address, and I'll open the room tomorrow at 8 o'clock Eastern Time. Have a great evening, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.